A man attacked by a shark off WA's northwest coast has told 7 News he's lucky to be alive. Jake Swaffer says he fought off the predator, then swam for his life. We warn some of the images in this report might be confronting to some viewers. Tracy Moran reports.
Jake Swaffer says the 10-foot shark attacked him hard and fast.
I was pulled underwater and reached down and basically tried to open up its mouth and pull it off my leg, yeah.
The 26-year-old was spearfishing with a mate off Legenda Island in the Dampier archipelago on Saturday. He'd just caught a fish when the predator attacked.
Like what you see in the movies with a heap of blood and that in the water.
He managed to swim to the boat with 2 major punctures at the bottom of his calf. The deepest is 6 centimetres, only 1 centimetre away from a main artery. He has 5 more across the top of his shin.
Much of it had a grab more at the back. Yeah, I guess it would have taken my whole calf muscle off and the 2 main arteries as well. So.
And you wouldn't be here to tell the tale?
Yeah, pretty lucky.
His fiancée met him at the boat ramp and rushed him to hospital at speed.
Yeah, she had a bit of a lead foot.
And was pulled over.
My fiancée Jodie hopped out of the car and sort of said to him he's been bitten by a shark. I said, oh yeah, and we've heard all this stuff before, and one of the police officers come around and had a look at it and realised that it was fair dinkum.
He saw a hammerhead shark nearby but believes the shark that bit him had a much larger jaw. Jake was flown from Karratha to Royal Perth Hospital. They took photos and measurements of the bite marks so fisheries experts can determine which species of shark attacked him.
As soon as it's healed up, I'll be back in the water for sure.
Tracy Moran, 7 News.